Damn, every time Sue vlog, she got the same outfit. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm out of breath. I just ran up the steps. But see, last time I went home, I was more prepared. Like, I did things earlier. Forgot my phone charger, my tripod, how I'm supposed to vlog. These. What's for me is for me. Whatever I don't have, hopefully I don't need. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a bit. Okay, guys, I know I've been neglecting you, but we made it to Memphis, and we are now going to Kroger, and then we're going to my parents' house. But my dad talking about, we headed there, y'all stay right there. Who is we? Girl, what's up? Okay, I came in here to get some stuff that I need to finish cooking dinner. Keela here for the wine. Near the drinks. I'm trying to read the signs, y'all. We trying to find the wine. We don't see it. Okay. Major key: heat protectant and deep conditioning, of course. Go bump the ends. Every black mama had to bump the ends. They think you're too grown if you wear it bottom straight. They gotta bump the ends so you remember you're still a child. They gotta bump the ends so you stay in line. sausage and biscuits. And this is my daddy going in. Length check, Michaela. Girl, you bra strap. Yep, she bra strap. I was bald headed, okay? What edges did I have? I shaved them. Do I need to put some Murray's eggs wax right there, or it ain't gonna wrap right? It'll be all right. Okay. Okay guys, back with the finished look. Put some edge control on. My mama gave me this little necklace and this bracelet and these earrings to wear. Uh-oh. Y'all, I haven't worn my hair down in so long. I don't even feel like... You can't really see the color. But this is my look. Y'all, my mama was like, we all gotta wear our signature bow ring. And she gave us a bow ring. And then she got one on too. I said I was going to get in the car. So where you finna go right now? Uncle Mo house. Yeah. Going to my uncle's house. So you really ain't finna get in the back with me? She think I'm gonna get in the backseat with her. I'm the co-captain of this family, okay? Oh. I'm getting in the front. I was the first one ready. I'm sitting in the front seat. Put your bottom back. I'm trying to teach the family about the car rules. First come, first serve. Mom likes being in the back with Keela, so I can talk fashion. Is that what that is? Yeah, Mom. You bring no backup shoes? Girl, they in my bag. You put them in my bag? Yeah. Well, hell, I ain't bringing no bag-up shoes. Are they gonna hurt you? Well, better grab them flip-flops at the door. You must put on that angel. Mm-hmm. Say hey to the people. Hi. Say hey people. Oh wait. Hi people. Tell them your name. Sit down. Deja. Oh, you so pretty. Okay, you ready? Yes, I'm so big. You're so big? Yes. You are. You're so much bigger than the last time I seen you. How old are you? 3. 3? Oh my goodness, you are getting so mature and old. 3. Next thing you know, you'll be 4. Woo, that's amazing. Okay, last stop on Market Street. Okay, guys, getting in the car, leaving my uncle's house. This lighting in here is great. Look at the camera, Mom. The lighting is great. Look at Mom back there looking like money. Y'all, he keep restarting this song talking about I didn't feel it. I feel it. I gotta do to feel it. I gotta be quiet. Let me tell you about it. It's 25 or 99. She could be a school teacher. What y'all doing? Out here. You can. You play soccer, baseball, football, whatever. Oh my gosh, you can play foursquare, kickball. First of all, Kiwi, you look like you're in a music video. It's so empty. Y'all, it's so empty in here. This is kind of a dope experience. Who's ever been inside of a Target this empty? This is life changing, actually. I was here. I am here. Ree is in the building. Y'all my phone so big. Ooh. But I'm out here. Y'all, Barbie is showing out. I love this. Barbie with the afro. Baby doctor. Barbie the doctor. Like, representation. Love it. On. You better kill him. Get him. We made it to Costco. My hair is so frizzy a little bit. I dyed it blue and I don't see it at all. These flyaways tripping. Are they looking at us? They ain't looking at us. Y'all, we in the sauna trying to see if people reacting. Nobody's looking. Everybody. All right, y'all. Let's go. Y'all, one of my favorite things from Costco. This is so good. It's so good. I wish I knew how to describe it. It's just so good. Costco card. Daddy, you got my Costco card? Cause I use mine.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the one with me on it. Yeah.
That's mine. That's mine. What's yours is hers. What's hers is hers. What's hers is hers. What's yours is hers. Amen.
Let's congregate, say amen.
Amen. Okay, y'all. So we're leaving Costco. Mom, we was in there how long? We was in Costco for like 2 hours, almost.
That's good.
That y'all been there by yourself that long?
I ain't never tried, but
Ain't no telling. Okay, where we heading now?
TJ Maxx, take that back. And
you already got on Florida. Going to TJ Maxx, y'all.
I don't know if you had Wi-Fi.
Y'all, look at what my mama kept. Mom, what year did I get these in? How old is this set?
I don't know if it was middle school or high school.
Yeah, I done had this little glove and hat since middle school or high school. Okay, I got so many compliments on this Whitney Houston shirt. Let me show y'all. Oh, the sun. Hold on, let me flip the camera. It's so bright. Can y'all see her? Whitney, 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 Whitney. But yeah, I call this look Gracie. Let me show y'all these vegan cookies. This is real good. Trader Joe's. Vegan oatmeal chocolate chip. And then this one, vegan trail mix cookies. How much you supposed to put in here, Mom? Looking like tobacco. Oh yeah, Mom, that's cool. Y'all, don't this tea look like tobacco or something? What? It's loose leaf green tea. My Whitney Houston shirt look good in the kitchen. Dang, well, y'all got a good kitchen for filming. Very open, huh? Oh!